everyone, welcome to my channel Real Life. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm Maria. In today's video, we're going to the doctor's appointment for a checkup, and today it will be day because although it's a sunny day around us, but it's cold, so we're just working inside after the doctor's appointment. They're essential only, very small. So we have to park here. So we're here. So this is our second time here. Yeah. So this is our third time. The first time I arrived here in US, he brought me here for a breakfast. So now it's our third time, because the second time was we're with his daughter and son-in-law, and we had also a breakfast here. So this is our third time for breakfast, lunch. Yeah, different ambience. I like I think I will just the apple pie with cream, whipped cream, I'm going to take home. Let's see. Because we're not always here. Last
Four guys working together, they do well. Well, no, there's two guys, two women.
sweet coffee.
There was no, they never cut any trees, they didn't do anything. What I got ready.
What is that for? You know, I don't want to start insulin, but I can tell you that if it lets me get my life back to normal, I'm going to.
The suggestion is nice because it's only for a while to stabilize.
Yeah. Yeah, let's see.
So he wrote the states.
With family hereditary.
So guys, I have my apple pie with coffee.
At least it turned out okay.
Why would they do that? I will have it. I have it. That's
So how you liking it? Here's a meal.
I like it. So this is our all order. It's heavy, fully loaded. You know, previously the apple pie was big, but now becoming small. Just now they just got um, they just got affected by the inflation. Before it's big. That's why I said I'm going to take home, but it's small now. It's really good. That's good. We can just get just eat it slowly.
Well, you know, you gotta have very nice grease to it and very little. And this isn't bad. This makes it a lot of colors. The bread tastes fresh on the buns.
How are we doing? Good.
Excellent, thank you.
I really like this apple pie. Getting old.
Oh, God. Sitting.
Guys, we're done. And I cannot finish my order, so I just take home. I take home the fries and burger. I just I just ate the apple pie and coffee because you know I'm really full. Yeah, the apple pie is smaller than previously, but I'm still full. Oh, so guys, we're done. Done to appointment and done to our breakfast lunch. So now we're going home. Let's see what we will do with it today. Because it's so cold here. Actually, it is a negative 17 degrees Celsius right now. It's cold plus the wind, and that makes well, thankfully she's not with us, because if she saw that she cannot take it.
Okay, so how long we gotta wait for you to get your information so you can take your track? Then we can move on to other highways.
Correct, and that is the best training for driving.
New Jerry's Bar and up around those back roads first.
Yep.
And then we head from Reamer, go through Reamer and get on that road. There's not a lot of traffic,
Yes,
but they're all like this.
it's a highway.
Yes.
I'm really excited to drive on the road.
I think what would be fun, I don't know, you know, there's no way of knowing. I think probably you,
Yes.
and all we gotta do is buy 2 seat covers.
So the dog will be behind at the back.
Should be in a nice comfortable area where the legs get sticking between the seats. Let's balance it.
And it's a big one. She can lay down and sit. It's perfect for her.
Yeah, I think we'll renovate that little Jeep.
You know, I'm not doubting your capability. Only my concern is your health.
I'm doubting what I want to do.
Right here, I know only how to start, how to run, but it's not really that much. But you know, you driving different car, truck, I learned a lot. Guys, it's sunny day around me here, but it's really cold. The wind blows so cold. But this is better. It's sunny day. Even though it's cold, at least there is a sunlight rather than the previous week. So gloomy. It's so dull, the surrounding. Now it's better. I like this rather than no sunlight. So now guys, we're going to the camper to get some snowsuit. Kakalkal tayo ng mga panlamig, yung ginagamit niya para sa snowmobile, kasi sobrang lamig ngayon. And then titingnan tawag dito, sobrang lamig ngayon, so kinakailangan niya gumamit ng snowsuit, which is nakatambak nakatambak sa camper ngayon. Ito yung aming storage kasi napakasikip pa ng bahay dahil inaayos pa namin. Kaso guys, eto tingnan nyo, siya mabuksan. Pipili na hindi hindi mabuksan. Oh my goodness. Guys, nabuksan na natin. Ito ngayon naman. This is our camper. This is the fridge. If you remember to my previous video, that is the fridge. And these are the storage. And this is the bathroom. And that's our bedroom. So guys, yung mga naka-stack na malinis na damit siya. Kaya lang wala kaming cabinet na mapaglagyan dahil naayos pa nga yung bahay. So, these are all clean and for winter suits. So, let's check. Kailangan kong buksan yung heater. Napakalamig dito. So, ito yung heater namin dito. Haharap po dun sa akin. Sobrang lamig. Ito yung table ko pag nag-computer ako. Yan. Oh. Kailangan ko mag-vlog. Guys. Oh. Ito yung motor ng isa pa naming furnish. Pero hindi pa namin naikakamit. Kasi iba yung settings nito kesa doon sa isa namin ginagamit. So, pinapailangan namin butasan yung dingding. Oh, manhid yung kamay ko. Teka guys, hahanap akong gloves. Grabe. Pala, si Habi. Ako naghahanap kasi nagpapahinga siya, kagagaling lang niya sa vaccination this morning. Yun yung appointment namin. What is this? This is not the one. Overall. Guys. Now, hanapin pa natin yung isa. Kasi meron pa raw siyang isa. At sabi niya, mas maliit ng konti. Pwede kong gamitin. Tingnan natin. Hanapin naman natin dito. Doon na kami sa house nag-stay kahit na inaayos pa namin kasi dito sa camper, hindi enough yung heater namin para sa sobrang lamig. So, para kang lahat, kahit na hindi mo ilagay sa fridge yung soda, yung Pepsi, nagiging yellow. So, ganun kalamig dito sa camper. Hindi enough yung insulation niya para maging warm sa loob. So, eto, nakuha ko na guys. Ito na yung ito yung ginagamit pang snowmobile. Ginagamit niya. At yun talaga. Ito siya. Masyadong nalukot kasi naka-back yung plastic. Sobrang tago. Kasi kulang ang aming cabinet as of now. So, ayan siya. Ito yung jacket for snowmobile. At ito naman yung kanyang ito yung overall. Tapos, doble na lang yan ng jacket. So, talagang pang snowmobile siya. Kasi ngayon, sobrang lamig dito. At ang snow, kinakailangan namin gawa ng tawag dito, trail. Yung daanan, so gagamitin namin snowmobile para magkaroon kaming daan. Kasi pag lumala pa yung, tumaas pa ng husto yung pile of snow, hindi na maganda lakaran, kinakailangan talaga padaanan mo siya ng snowmobile. May snowblower kami pero hindi siya kayang punta hanggang sa field. Dito lang siya sa daanan. Eh, since na binabantayan niya rin yung bahay ng anak niya doon sa kabilang lote, so papunta-punta siya ron. At the same time, exercise na rin for daily walk with the dog. Sa camper, andito yung aming massage chair. Yan. Maganda naman to camper. Actually, gusto ko to kasi ano siya, cute siya. Kaya lang, hindi enough yung insulation niya. So, instead, ang mahal kasi pag inayos namin to, i-fix namin na magkaroon ng insulation, ang laki ng gagastusin, is better na bumili ka na lang uli. Kahit na, it's better bumili ng second hand kasi napakamahal bumili ng brand new na motorhome or RV. So, ito guys yung natagpuan ko na. So, hindi ko lang alam kung etong, may isa pa kasi rito kulay gray. Namamanhid na yung ilong ko. Ito ang kaanan sa pagmalamig, yung ilong ko namamanhid. At disadvantage sa malaki ilong. Saan pa natin tong isang plastic dito? Ito. Kung anong nasa loob nito. Kasi kahit mismo siya, sa dami ng damit niya, hindi na niya matandaan. Meron pala siyang ganun. At alam niyo guys, bilang, syempre, may edad na, Tapos, solo sa buhay, kasama lang niya yung aso niyang alaga. So, every time maglalabas siya, pagkatuyo, yun, maliligo siya, yun din yung gagamitin niya. So, napakadami niyang damit na may handtag pa. Sabi ko, bakit yan at yan yung sinusuot mo? Napakarami niyang damit. So, ngayon, nung dumating ako, yung iba na medyo may punit na, sabi niya, huwag mo itatapon yan kasi pang work ko yan. Pang haba, yung nagme-mekaniko siya sa, may mga hobbies niya kasi yon. So, pag ginagamit daw niya yon, ginagamit pa rin niya kahit may butas-butas na dahil as mechanic, syempre madudumihan yung grasa. Kaya lang sobrang punit-punit na siya as in, kahit yung pantalon. So, kung hindi ko sana nakitang marami. Kaso nung dumating ako rito, napakarami niyang damit. So, what happened is, dahan-dahan ko tinatapon. Hindi namamalayan niya, nasan ito? Eko, andyan, ayan. Tapos, kumbaga, gradually yung tapon ko nun, para hanggang sa maubos ko na rin maitapon yung butas-butas, na-realize niya, ang dami ko palang damit. Yun yung kaigiha. Kasi marami pala siyang damit. Kaya lang, hindi niya lang talaga napupuna. Kasi pag nakakita siya ng, Black Friday sale, bibili yan. Kasi, imagine nyo, pala ako. Maya na lang uli, update ko kayo. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you keep on watching. Subaybayan nyo ang aking video, ang aking buhay sa araw-araw dito sa Amerika. Goodbye. Thank you for watching.